science experiment. Let me go grab it.
Today I'll be doing a little science experiment. We got this cool reactions kit. As you can see here, got great cool color changing reactions, hide reveals secret messages, and make big fuzzy, fizzy, whatever explosions. Yeah, but we're not doing it out here. Let me. Oh, lighting's very great in here. Clearly, check that out. Hold on. Check that out. Hold on. There you go. There I am. All right. Just gonna do cool reactions, whatever kit. Started. Just open this. All right, we got it open. Got this little manual thing right here. I guess we'll just go through them. Really boring. Forget some napkins. Got these 2 cups. Acid. And then we also got baking soda. And we have red cabbage powder, which is what we need. We fill 2 cups half full of water. Add 1 small scoop of red cabbage powder to each. Oh shoot, I need to get water. Okay. 2 cups half full of water, add 1 small scoop of red. So I need 1. Is this half, please? Okay. Then we gotta put 1 small scoop of red cabbage powder in each. There's little gas that came out, but it's okay. It also smells like cat piss, but that's okay. That's okay. Add 1 small scoop. Which was a small scoop? Okay, so this is small scoop, this is big scoop. It's very different, clearly. Okay. Okay, that's 1. That's 2. And then add 1 big scoop of baking soda to 1 of the cups and stir to dissolve the solution. It turns blue. So it's red right now. This one full of the big thing and it'll turn red. You ready? Just wait, it'll turn red. I mean blue or whatever. I'm gonna stir it. No, it looks like detergent. That's crazy. Okay. So, yeah, red, blue. Now add 1 big scoop of acid. Okay. This thing's really, this thing's actually packed. I'm a little worried, but that's okay. We're here for the big explosion now, because, yeah. This is not about changing colors today, it's about making big explosion possibly. I'm gonna hope it's huge, and I didn't waste my money, I guess. They don't even bring a pencil, they just bring these little tiny pieces of paper, but who cares? Should be fine. Add 1 big scoop to the other cup and stir to dissolve. This solution turns red. This is your acidic solution. Okay. I probably already messed this up. You're gonna put in this one, and it'll make it red slightly. If we stir it, it's gonna, yeah, it looks more pink than red, but it's there. Okay. And so now we need the other cup, and we're just gonna mix them both. Okay. You ready? You can see the frame. Okay. Same time. This is lame as hell. I thought it would like. Maybe if I just like. Gonna put a little bit more citric acid in this. Okay. And then I'm gonna put a little bit more baking soda. Then it's supposed to grow. I'm just gonna make a lot more of it. We're doing some Breaking Bad today, guys. It wouldn't like dissolve through the. Okay. I'm just gonna. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's putting pink all over my garage. Yeah, I'm just gonna talk about it. We're gonna get a bigger cup and we're gonna have more padding on this one. Okay. Got these two. I'm now a scientist, so we're gonna put up all the citric acid. Okay, a lot of citric acid in this one. And we're gonna put a lot of baking soda in this one. Literally all of it. Okay, now it's fuming, but that's okay. Then we'll get the water, I think. When baking soda react chemically to produce water, sodium citrate and carbon dioxide gas, it's got that makes to. Okay, and then you gotta pour a lot of water on both of them. You won't be able to see it for a bit, but that's okay. Yeah, stuff in unequal. Now we're gonna shoot. How are we gonna do this? I just realized this doesn't work. You're gonna just watch it, okay? It's gonna pour out in here. I'm hopefully not gonna get my hands soaked. So first one right here. Pour all of it in. I should probably get my paper towels. It's just not enough. You have all these paper towels, all of them. Every one of them. There you go. Now, complete disaster will not happen probably. Just gonna pour this in here, and you're gonna watch your foam from the top, like a volcano, kind of. That's all of it. This is literally all of it. If this does nothing, I'm gonna be really sad, by the way. So, let's hope. Oh, I forgot about the color. You're not gonna be able to see it without the color. Hold on. Stay where you are. There you go. We stir it up, maybe? Ooh, I touched it. This is gonna. I'm gonna get poisoned or something. Okay, this is not working. Damn, this is really lame.